before we properly start this video, I want to give a big shout out to the young girl and boy who noticed me in Tesco's. My heart, I can't tell you how happy I was that someone recognised me from this. I was like, what? It was insane. It was insane. I'm going to apologise again for any naughty words that I say on this channel because you two were quite young. But thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my shit and actually generally enjoying it. Like, it means the world to me. I don't think you have any idea how much. I'm not gonna lie, I cried a little bit in the car on the way to work because I was literally on the way to work. I was like, I have to go because I have like a real job and shit that pays my bills, and I apologise. I was just so heartwarming. I just can't. So thank you again and carry on watching because I love having you here. How exciting.
Oh yeah, yummy.
Hey Beauts, it's not Caroline here and welcome back to my channel. Oh no wait, that's not me, but I did buy a Jeffree Star mirror. Are you seeing this? Are you witnessing the magic that is a Jeffree Star mirror? Now, I bought this one. Hey, how are ya? And he bought out the Bloodlust one and I was like, well, I want that instead. But now I have this, which is still so fabulous. So it's been so long since I've done a video, like in this place, that you haven't even seen the fact that my hair's dyed. Like, it's been so long and my roots have come through like this much and you haven't even seen my dyed hair. So it's been many a colour, but I'm kind of liking this peachy pink moment. Now for this video, let me take this off because the ring light, ooh gosh, she blinded. I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. Valentine's Day is a day of love and lust and, you know, all that shit that we do. But I'm single, horribly single. And if you're like me, you know, you get ghosted a lot, you know, you talk to them for a few weeks and they fuck off, or even a few months, or you go for like one date with them and then try to arrange a second one and they're like, oh, I'm just not interested, or I'm just not ready right now, and you're like, okay. That's right, I'm outing some people in this video, but it doesn't matter because no one knows who they are, apart from me and you. So I've decided to do like a half, like, lovey-dovey kind of pinks with like a little love heart blush, and then a half, I'm gonna draw a ghost with like fucking, I'm gonna do blue like heart blush. Listen, I have some sort of idea in my head, but I don't know if I'm gonna execute it very well, but we're just gonna give it a go and see how it looks. Now, the first thing we do, you know me, as I like to get this hair out of the way, push that shit back, excuse me, clip it back like this, we're clipped, and then we push up this nose ring. Oh, I broke a nail today. Fucking great. Look how flawless these are, and then there's this one like, hi. Disgusting. Crummy, do you wanna come say hi? Look how chunky he's getting, mate. Proper chunk. Oh, is that so bright for you? Look at your little toe beans. Toe beans, baby. Oh, that's me. First thing I'm gonna do is prime. As usual, we all know that I love a prime. We all know that I love the e.l.f. party primer. You right, Crummy? How's it fucking going? We get a bit on the nail like this, which I'd say is like pea sized. And we're just gonna like blip, 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 get all that in. Now, I've recently discovered that not only do I do a cream primer now, but I spray one on me as well because I like it. So I've got the Revolution Purifying Primer Water, which I like to spray over the top of this cream one. And it's all nice and cold. It's got some weed leaves on it. And are you going to be fast forwarded with probably some lo-fi, which I seem to do a lot these days, to do like lo-fi chill music in the background for you, because you know it's all good. It's all good in the motherfucking hood, and the aesthetic of having a beautiful Jeffree Star mirror is pleasing for my channel.
I just took a DNA test, turns out I'm 100% that bitch. Even when I'm crying crazy, yeah, I got boy problems, that's the human in me. Bling bling, then I saw them, that's the goddess in me. You could have had a bad bitch, not committal. You tried to break my heart, oh that breaks my heart. That you thought you ever had it, no you ain't from the start. Chick, I put the single.
Does my cat want to be any louder? Crumble! You're being proper loud, mate. He doesn't care. He goes in the litter tray, instead of scratching the litter of his poo, he just scratches the wall and the toilet. And I'm like, I don't understand what you think you're doing, but it ain't right. I want to do very bright kind of pink contour this side and blue this side, because you know, love is blue. And we're gonna just contour with blush, basically. That's what we're gonna do. That is a lot. Hi, how are you? Oh, okay, Okay. I'm just totally winging this, like 100% winging. Oh, yes. I'm probably not gonna contour the nose. Should I contour the nose? I think it'll look odd if I have like a blue line, a pink line and a blue line. I'm just gonna blush the nose. Just my normal way that I normally blush my nose. Just cause, you know, it's cute. It's cute. Sometimes. Not when you look like Pennywise. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and do the blue contour. Okay, now we're done the contour, I need to make the little love heart for the blush. Now I'm just gonna get a bit of paper from a book that's next to me. Rip a page out of that. Oh shit. Rip a page out of that. Fold that in half. As best as half as you can possibly get. Get some little scissors, little nail scissors I've got here, and cut a heart shape. Half a heart shape, so basically like a teardrop. Oh no, that's not gonna work. Because I want it around it. Oh yeah, it will work, because I put this on here instead. Like that. And that's not the kind of, I'm gonna make it more shapely, bear with. Oh yeah, she's cute, that's pretty cute. I like that, but how am I gonna stick it to my face? That's the main question. Do I just like... Okay, so I've gone around it with blue, they're gonna do the big reveal and see if it works. Oh my god, so fucking cute. Oh, she's so cute, look. She's gonna be ruined later because in this eye, I'm gonna be like crying and shit. I still have to draw a ghost. Might just draw a little one. Just on my hooded eyelid. Okay, so we're gonna do the same on the other side, but we're gonna do pink, obviously. Bear with. Okay. Make sure it's kind of the same. No, I lost it. Oh, it's on my titty. Okay, big reveal on this one as well. Oh my god, that's the cutest fucking thing I've ever seen in my life. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is this side of the eye. We're gonna do obviously blues, and like I'm gonna draw a little ghost up on that eyeball. Attempt to draw a little ghost up on that eyeball. I don't know how well I'm gonna do at the challenge, but I'm gonna try. So we're gonna get the same colour that we had for the cheek and just kind of go in with a base colour just here. And again, I'm gonna fast forward this for you so you see me doing it. Fast action. Okay, so I've come to the horrific existential crisis that my makeup may be quite good, but my like face painting skills are not. So if I try to draw a ghost, I'm probably gonna fuck it up. So I've decided instead to do this into a broken heart. And then this one can stay nice and normal. Do I have a blue eyeliner? Yes, I fucking do. Let's see if that works instead. I mean, just like Harry Potter, there's a little lightning bolt for you. Do you see that? That is fucking fabulous. Oh, that looks so good. Do you see that? It's a bit like light. Okay, well, you can see that. That looks pretty good. So we've done this eye. A little bit of blue. We're gonna do the same on the other side with pink, obviously. I like pinks and reds. And then I'm gonna do eyeliner, mascara, and eyebrows and lashes. And then this one's gonna be all like crying and sad. Okay, so that's done. So I want to do my eyebrows, but I actually want to do like the same colour as the like blue and pink, but I don't know where my white face paint has gone. Okay, so I've got my white face paint. I'm going to spray it with a little bit of water. I actually haven't done white eyebrows in a long time, so bear with me. Cover up as much as I can. I should technically have glued these eyebrows down, but I completely fucking forgot, and as you all well know, I'm amateur as fuck. We'll do this layer, we'll let it dry, then we'll come back, do a second layer. Okay, so we're gonna let that dry. While we're letting that dry, we might as well do some makeup. Now I want normal eyeliner, like I want black eyeliner, because I just feel like it works better. And then that's like the only thing that's kind of matching, if that makes sense. This is the thing about my eyeliner, there will never be twins, and it upsets me, because eyeliner should always be twins, and I find it very, very difficult to make them identical, and they're not, but they're fine. They'll do. Like, there's nothing else I can do apart from that. Okay, so we're done. We're not gonna do any more white layers. That's the white done. We're over it. We're gonna do some mascara, and then we're gonna come back and do the eyebrows, the colours they're supposed to be. Okay, bye. Okay, so these are kind of dried. I'm gonna try a shadow first, and if shadow doesn't work and doesn't look very good, then I'm gonna go over liquid lip. Possible. It may work. We have to carry on. Let's see. I mean, yeah, it's kind of worked. I'm not gonna lie. It looks fine. It's passable. We can live with that. That's fine. We'll do that. And then now we're gonna do the pink. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie. It's worked fine. I mean, obviously I should have glued and done like proper white and stuff on top, but bitch, it will fucking do. Do you know what I'm saying? It will fucking do. So the next thing we're gonna do is highlight. We're gonna use 2 different colours, obviously. This one in here, I've got quite a light, like frost coloured one. So we'll use this for the blue side. Yes, God. This bitch, ain't nobody got time for a nude waterline. Although that fucking blue is awful on the waterline. It's like it's so wet that it can't handle it. That's what she said. Let's highlight the other side of my face. Now this one we're going to use like an actual pinky one that I own. Not that one. There she is. She's nice and pink. She's cute. We're going to use this one for this side of the face. Oh my god. I get in such a mess when I do makeup videos. It's ridiculous. So we're going to get this blush out, this highlighter I mean. We're going to highlight this side. I live for a shiny nose. More. So the only thing we've got left to do is put some lashes on. I also want to make this side of my eye like crying and kind of drip down, but I don't want to really put water in my eye. I feel like I'm going to have to. Okay, so I've got like a pretty drenched tissue. I just want to like that's what I want, but I want it to drip black. So I've dipped the end of it in eyeliner. Let's see if that works. Yeah, I can't see, but it works. I kind of like how it hasn't fallen across the heart and ruined the heart. So if anything, it's worked really well in my favour. I just can't really see. But who needs to see? Yeah, I love that. That looks sick. Okay, so we've got the crying mascara. We're gonna do lashes, lipstick. Now I'm gonna have red lipstick because obviously red is Valentine's Day and lust and all that. And I want it to be like a, just like a main colour. Like, because I don't have any red, I have like just pink. So we're gonna do lashes, come back and do lipstick and then hair and then we'll be done. Cool. I broke my nail. Okay, so I've done a liquid lip. The lashes are on. I just need to do my hair, put on an appropriate top that goes with this, and I'll come right back and we'll be totally finished. I look a bit like a clown, not gonna lie. Looks like I've just done happy sad clown makeup, but at the same time, shut the fuck up, okay? Okay, so for this look I went for a pink wig, as I feel like it's appropriate, and a top that says like love on it, and it's got little cherubs and shit. So this is the look. I'm gonna do a little close-up slow-mo shit because I know you love that. So one side of me is all happy and in love, and the other side is heartbroken and ghosted, and I feel I'm loving this. I live for it. I freaking hate wigs. Look, they just fall into your face. I look like the girl from The Grudge. Had a fabulous makeover. Anyway, thank you so much for coming and seeing me today. I really appreciate it. Remember to push all those lovely little buttons at the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see all of you beautiful people in the next one, and I hope you have a lovely Valentine's Day no matter what you're doing. And if you're heartbroken and ghosted, fuck it. You know, you're a boss ass bitch. You live your own life, do your own thing, get your own man or woman, and do what you gotta do. Okay. Bye, 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 bye. The fact that this mirror goes so well with this aesthetic is just a beautiful, beautiful thing.